Graduation day. There's no, huh? There's a line? Jesus.
I want a picture. Alani. Yes. I want a picture. Yes. Stop beating me. Tapando bebés.
Ivana Reynolds. Silas Raposa. Sofia Reyes. Otavio Santos.
Have a great day.
Of course I know.
Is it, I don't want to know it, but I want to get some hints.
Huh?
Some exciting hints, but not...
So you're not gonna open it?
Oh, trust me, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to tear it into shreds. But I want some hints.
Something you love.
Something I love. Okay,
Yep.
last hint. Anything that I keep too much. Anything I could use.
Yep.
Hope it's a new phone. I'm joking.
No, boy! You're gonna open it? All right, I'm recording.
Maybe it's a dog. Does it? I love the Steeler. Steeler jacket. He has Dante in there. It's a card. I've actually wanted a card for so long. You guys were surprised. Yeah, you were playing. I use everything in passion. There's 2 cards. I can't see it. I'm gonna order everything. Congratulations. You are a part of.
Hey guys, so we were gonna go to Denny's, but they said they wanted Cracker Barrel instead. He's like, I want my Denny's. So
I want to move over my hammies and my Oreo shake.
Ah, all right, let's see what they got. Cracker Barrel, we here. Ooh, the graduates. Ooh. All right. Hello. Oh, they're here too.
What are you doing here? This wasn't supposed to happen. People can tell me.
I am dead. Okay. I'm gonna get the grandma sampler. It looks pretty good. Pictures are refused. Yes, it is. That's exactly what your mom said. Looks good. Yep.
This is your big potato.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Cheese. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sorry for the worker. Don't worry about these three.
Okay.
$3 for $5.
Really?
Yeah, look, $3 for $5.
That's a good deal.
I know, right? And they're pretty big too. And then I got a bag of high chew. The outcome should be 15.
As long as you have enough.
50 on here. 50.
I know.
Can't believe it. But I really need.
And then you finish it all in one place. And summer just started. It's okay. Using his debit card for the first time.
Some more rewards.
Oh, rewards. Oh. That was weird, right?
I know, and I was like, it better be accepted. And then I'm like, oh.
Look at
It was great.
I'm getting Cardinals, so of course I need a wallet. Yep. So let's make a quick run and get in my wallet. Oh, guys, we're gonna be here all day.
Leathers.
Let's see what one you got. Woohoo!
I got the George RFID protection, which is when people decide to go behind you, and sometimes they skim it out and take all your information without needing all the without needing all the information inside of it. They just
We got everything and finally going home. Jesus, we're just busy, so busy, man.
not as busy on the weekends. I mean, not as busy as it is on the weekends. But finally, it's summer break.
Woohoo! Well, for him alone, cause me, I gotta go work.
No more school for me, and no more having to drive to work. No more having to drive to my school anymore.
Well, for now.
For now.
All right, let's try it and see if it fits.
Oh yeah.
Don't cut the wallet though, because you know how it is. Who does this? Like, make it make sense.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's something like that.
Jesus Christ.
I think it's something. How'd you do it?
I don't know. I just start twisting it and then it got up.
Just pulled it back.
10 years
and
later. Oh,
finally-
here we go. All right. Like this. Fit like a glove.
I think so.
Sweet.
If not, maybe up here. I guess it can go any way.
Perfect. All right. I'd even keep it in the zipper part just to be extra safe.
Oh.
Well, you got a lot of room.
Oh, and I put my ID right here if I keep it for a long
You
time.
do have a lot ID.